This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav is expected to conduct surprise visit to wheat procurement center in different districts within the next 2 to 3 days. He will travel by helicopter and directly check the arrangements at these centers. During the visit, he will also talk to farmers and ask whether they are getting all the government facilities properly. The state administration has alerted all district collectors to closely monitor procurement center and ensure no negligence happen. The aim is to improve transparency and make sure farmers do not face any problems during wheat procurement. Thousands of guest teachers from across Madhya Pradesh protested in Bhopal under the Guest Teacher Joint Run. They accused the government of not fulfilling its election promises. Teachers said the government had promised a policy similar to permanent teachers' bonus marks in recruitment and job security through annual contracts. However, no progress has been made so far. The protesters demanded immediate action and clear policies for their future. They warned that if their demands are not met, the agitation will continue across the state in a stronger form. The Madhya Pradesh High Court in Jabalpur has taken a strict action in a contempt case related to the Narmada Bachao Andolan. The court directed Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Rajoura to respond within 1 week to the demand submitted by the movement. If he fails to reply, he may have to appear personally in court. The case is about rehabilitation and compensation for adult sons of families affected by the Omkareshwar Dam project. The next hearing is scheduled for next week. The issue has been pending for a long time. A serious incident took place in Gwalior when a dispute over feed prices turned violent. Angry farmers attacked Naib Tahsildar Harnam Singh at the Bhitarwar Agricultural Market. His glasses were broken and he started bleeding from the nose. The situation had been tense since morning due to mismanagement in the market. Farmers claimed that wheat was sold at 2,500 rupees per quintal in the morning, but the price dropped to 2,200 in the afternoon. Police and officials reached the spot to control the situation and restore order. In Tikamgarh district, Patwari union members protested in a unique way against their pending demands. They met the Tahsildar in Baldevgarh and submitted a memorandum. During the protest, union members expressed anger by touching their noses to the ground in front of the official. The district president said repeated requests have been ignored by the government. The protest was meant to highlight their dissatisfaction and demand immediate resolution of their issues. Officials assured them that their concern would be forwarded to higher authorities for consideration. A wedding celebration in Shahdol turned into tragic when the groom's father suddenly collapsed and died while dancing. The incident happened during the Haldi Pani rituals before the wedding's farewell. The groom was the only son in the family and his father had planned the wedding with great joy. Guests were enjoying the celebration when he suddenly fell unconscious while dancing with the Baratis. He was rushed for help but could not be saved. The shocking incident left the entire wedding party in deep sadness and changed the joyful moment into mourning. Madhya Pradesh is facing very hot weather these days. The temperature in many cities, including Bhopal, is near 39 degrees Celsius and may go above 40 degrees Celsius soon. Hot winds are blowing during the day, making the weather uncomfortable for people. Afternoons are very sunny and dry. Experts say the heat will increase in the coming days and some areas may reach up to 43 to 44 degrees Celsius. Nights are also warm, so there is little relief even after sunset. Some places are also seeing dusty winds. However, there is a small chance of light rain in some districts at the end of the week. This rain may bring temporary relief from the heat. People are advised to drink water and avoid going out in the afternoon.